To enable two-factor authentication on Facebook, open the Facebook app on your phone. This works on both iPhone and Android. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the menu option. Now scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Next, go to Account Center and choose Passwords and Security. In this section, you'll find the two-factor authentication option. Tap on it. Select the account you want to secure. You'll be taken to the Security Methods page, where 3 options are available. Pick the method you prefer. In this example, I'll choose SMS or WhatsApp. After selecting, tap Next. If your phone number isn't added yet, you'll need to enter it now. Once entered, press Next again. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number, type it in, and tap Next. Now, two-factor authentication is enabled on your Facebook account. From this point on, whenever you log in to Facebook from a new device, you'll be required to complete two-factor authentication to access your account. And that's it.